J. Fox. He drove the opposite way we're going right now. And over here to the left-hand side, ladies and gentlemen, is the original courthouse. This is what we call Courthouse Square, which you might imagine why, from Back to the Future. Now that starred Michael J. Fox and Christopher Lloyd. I mean, we've done a ton of movies and shows before that. The Twilight Zone, the very first Twilight Zone episode filmed here. So you guys have an idea of the history behind this part of our lives. I'd like to bring up the producer of that film, also one of the screenwriters, Bob Gale and Christopher Lloyd, to give you guys a little behind the scenes of what it was like filming down here in our back lot.
It was actually the back lot of the Courthouse Square that inspired the entire climax of Back to the Future.
I had scenes up there, the clock tower, on that lead. There was a ledge about that wide. And I was standing inside, looking at the ledge, and I already had vertigo. I just thought there's no way in the world, no way I'm going to stand on that. I was up there for quite a while. Of course, I had a cable.
And cities look like your imagination fills in the rest. Now, the clock tower, we've changed it up to look like more of kind of a courthouse, not so much a clock tower, because every time it was shown in a movie right after, you know, Back to the Future, everybody was like, that's the Back to the Future clock tower. They wouldn't even think about the current movie that it was in. So every so often we go around, put a new coat of paint, put up a new bit of a facade in front of it, and we have a whole new city. Now we've gone from the small town of Hill Valley to the Big Apple, ladies and gentlemen. This is our New York City street sets. They come complete with some Broadway theaters, as well as our very own Macy's storefront. And I'd like to bring up back my co-host Jimmy Fallon to talk to you guys a little bit more about filming in New York.
Hey everyone, welcome to New York. I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood. What's got bugged over there? An old woman, tough lady. This is my favorite hot dog guy. Hey buddy, how's it going? Remember me? No. Just like old times. Gotta love New York City. Hey! I'm walking here! I'm walking here! Hey, it's cool, guys. I was just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro set.